Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I put my makeup. So first, I use sunblock as my moisturizer. Any sunblock would do as long as my moisturizer siya. So all you have to do is put it on your face and neck at the same time. Moisturizer, I now then start doing my eyebrow. So I have here my eyebrow. For my eyebrow, I use Dazzle Me. I bought it in SM department store for only 99 pesos. So, and then, 2-in-1 kasi to ang Dazzle Me na eyebrow. May brush na siya. So, and then, I now use this Pink Flash foundation. Um, I'll just use it to cover my dark spots, pimple marks, dark spots, so forth. It's very effective, lalo na if dark talaga yung spot. Yes, so just tutok lang. And also para din sa eyeballs, cover my eyeballs. Cover my eyeballs. Cover my eyeballs please. Start na natin yung mga eyeballs. Saan yung goodness? Kala lang. Tipid muna tayo sa foundation guys. Kasi ubos na siya so. To be honest guys, hindi ko talaga makeup. Kasi since um, in my teenage years, I don't use makeup. Nagsimula ako gumamit ng makeup nung college na ako. And then, after that, I'll use my mascara. I don't put I don't put too much mascara on my eyelashes kasi makapal na makapal na daan yung eyelash ko. So no need na. And then next is this lip and cheek tint duo by Brilliant. It's very handy kasi pwede na siyang pan-cheek and pwede din siyang lip tint. Pero separate siya. Ito, this one here is for the cheeks and this one here is for the lips. So, I use cheek tint for my cheeks. Tapos parang bet-bet ko yung ano ngayon, sun-kissed. Charot. Kahit hindi ako marunong mag-makeup, no? I can imagine myself doing the makeup. Then use lang ng brush para makalat. It's very very light lang. And since wala akong highlighter, Hindi na tayo maglalagay ng highlighter. Yan. And then, to be more, dramatic, I lost my, wala siya. Charot lang. And to be more dramatic, para hindi masyado oily yung face, I have this Pink Flash Loose Powder. Lalagay ko din to. Ano lang, konti-konti lang din. Kasi tipid nga. Para lang hindi tayo magmukhang oily. Actually, nagpipeel off yung skin ko. Kasi I use rejuvenating. That's why medyo yung skin ko ngayon. Gumamit ako ng rejuvenating. Okay, next step is this one. Dazzle Me Lip Gloss. No, it's not lip gloss. It says here, Glossip Girl Lip Cream. So, it's a lip cream from Dazzle Me. Kasabay ko to siya binili sa eyebrow ko. Pero, this one cost 169 or 179. Maganda to siya sa lips kasi it's very masarap kainin. It's very masarap. Yan. Tapos na tayo sa makeup. So, sa hair naman tayo. And for my hair, para medyo siya, I use this one. R Top R Moroccan Hair Essential Oil. Super nice. You can buy it sa yellow basket ko in TikTok. So, konti-konti lang para lang yung hair ko. And since my hair is naturally curly, pero wavy-wavy siya ngayon, magsunod lang yung hair ko. Sa anumang gusto kong, sa anumang gusto kong style na hair. Yan. Dapat na talaga yung natin, hair natin, since makapal yung hair ko. So, very, very neat talaga to siya. And then, comb your hair. Just comb it. Yan. So, saan ang punta natin, girl? Diyan lang. Sa bahay lang. So, this is my no makeup look. Hindi siya masyadong dark. Very good siya for students, for teenagers who want to wear makeup, and for other girls na yung gusto lang light makeup. Hindi masyado dark. And also, friendly budget siya. Budget friendly. Friendly budget friendly, whatever. And then, ta-da! I can put my hair like this na. Again, since susunod lang siya. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye.